Hello, in this lesson I want to tell you about the size of keyword. The functionality of this keyword is quite simple, so the lesson will be short. Thanks to this keyword you can calculate the size of any data type in bytes. Do you remember that I once said that the int type takes up 4 bytes? Now you can check it yourself using this word. Here are several options for using this word. In the first option, you must specify the type you are interested in parentheses. The operator will calculate the number of bytes it takes up and return it to the place where it was called. You can display this number on the screen or write it to a variable, for example. Here you can see how I use this word several times. Each time, I specify different data types. Personally, in my system, these types take up this many bytes, so I see these numbers. Yours may be different. In the second option, you can specify a value. This can be literals, variables, and constants. Therefore, I use this operator with them several times to show you an example of how it works. In the third one, you can already write whole expressions, for example, those that you see in front of you. Note that I use different types, but sizeof calculates the type of the expression result and returns the number of bytes of this type. If you watch the previous lessons, you can determine for yourself what type each expression will have. In the fourth option, you can leave parentheses behind. It works exactly the same as the second option. Only without parentheses you can't write the type, because you'll get an error at compile time. That's all. This operator is that simple. It can also be used with variadic templates, but you don't know what that is yet, so we'll put it off for later. This concludes this lesson. Thank you for watching. I hope you understood it and I helped you. If you want to thank me for this, you can like this video, write a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, become a sponsor of this channel, or donate me using the link in the description. All these actions popularize my channel and motivate me to continue recording lessons for you. Goodbye.